Good morning. This is Mitch Scharf here at MarineMax Kent Island. Wanted to go over this new 2024 Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard model with you today that just came in from the factory. This boat is loaded up with all kinds of features, everything that you would possibly want. To start with, we have the upgraded 200 horsepower Mercury Verado, which is the largest motor option you can get. You've got sea deck matting on the back, ski tow bar, a nice lounger here that you can set up, put away, nice wraparound seating, 3-positional portside lounger that has a few functions. You've got a cooler stored under the seat, upgraded stereo system, Fusion with subwoofer, amplifier. At the helm here we have a nice bucket seat with flip-up riser, tilt steering, nice 9-inch Simrad digital display. This boat has digital throttle and shift, so no cable, so shifts like butter. Nice glove compartment, plenty of storage underneath here. I put in the optional bow filler cushion, so this can be removed and stored away. On this model you have a nice anchor locker, which comes in handy on a boat this size. You know, one of the nicest features is this sports tower for water sports, tubing, wakeboarding, skiing, whatever you want to do. Why don't you come down to MarineMax Kent Island and check it out in person? Thank you.